burger. Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simona and I'm back with another video. Don't forget to like, share, comments and subscribe to be notified whenever I post my next video. So people, please, may I beg uno, subscribe now. The S word down there, so just click it and subscribe. See, when I watch my video, I realize I'm not fun to watch my video, but when I subscribe. So just subscribe. Tell a friend to come over and subscribe also. You can also follow me on Instagram at natisha_b_queening. Link will be down in the description. And you can also go over to Simone Watson channel and My Life as Shanice channel and subscribe. Alright people. So I must wonder how comes I the first Simone and I eat pizza. You more pizza, I eat burger. Well, first thing first, minute mayonnaise. I'm not a fan of vegetables, so I don't know what is under here, so that's why. So I say if I go to Burger King and add that burger, I waste of time that because I don't go buy the bread and the meat. That's how I'm gonna buy. So the first time I ever try a burger, like me and my best friend did go home and she said she go buy a burger and I said let me taste it. And never taste that good, but but I go try again for see because a long time I grew up now, so I go try it and see. Alright, so all me I come up in the taxi, me I try if you just don't think bad about it. Alright. Oh. Focus. I'm gonna show the people them. I don't know, I have to share with Una also. Yeah, I'm gonna wash my hands already. Good. And I have my, I have to put them planicle. And then give me this big old juice, you see people? This big old juice. Like, no, I didn't take my fire juice bigger than my head. Alright, alright, so if you don't have no video ideas, you can also comment down below and let me know. If you don't want a Q&A, let me know also. And for all my new subscribers, welcome to my channel. I hope you're enjoying what you're seeing so far. Okay. Right, that's all. No food. The only way I can see me in a Burger King, eat out this bread. Alright. The only way you can see me in a Burger King unless me I buy nuggets and fries. That's the only thing we're gonna go buy. Like me I buy the burger though, but alright, I'm gonna try it now. Go and make me go oh god. Alright. Let's see some. It just look yummy, but boy, I have a cheese right there. One, I'll bacon and drop out. I love bacon. Alright, so 1, 2, 3. First time eating burger. It tastes bad so far. I'll take another bite. Mm. 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 This thing walk on this grace, man. I love that to me taste. Burger meat. People. I just make me salt. No. Okay. You see you? If you did this type burger like me, go and try it, alright? Go and try it. I must show knowledge further down. But it tastes good so far. Just good. And people have another thing to tell, no? No, for me, baby. Anytime I eat, always at home when food tastes nice. I don't know, even a steer so. Everybody have a habit when they eat and food nice. You do something, but me home. That me do. Yeah, have a look. Look at chop. So as I was saying, for all the small YouTubers like myself, I'm going to do a small YouTuber support live Thursday at 8 o'clock, so don't miss it, right? Do not miss it. If you want subscribers, do not miss it, alright? And I'll be doing a Q&A because I have new subscribers. You know, most of them know me and ask me questions, so whenever I'm going to do the Q&A, I'm going to post it on my Instagram story, so you can go over there and follow me so that you can know. Alright? No, Burger King and chips always taste nice. Nicer than KFC. If you don't want me try it no other food, I don't know. Alright, let me try this again. I just smell a miss. No relax, just because I don't eat mayonnaise. I'm not a fan of vegetable. I'm trying to add cheese. So this is a number 9. I'm here to talk with food and malt. I hate this chaya. I don't know why they put out this chaya when they usually have. This chaya nonsense. People, I enjoy it before I enjoy the burger. Alright. Alright. Then give me extra cheese and I. Take a bite. I'm ready for that now. This try gets half up, man. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Mm. Mm. Oh, and about well. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna add to say, I must try. Cause everything mixed up together, but never try it. Mm. As I was saying. No. Mm. Oh, as me that's guy. As I was saying about the credit giveaway. Alright, so because I'm gonna get a shout out, as soon as I reach 800 subscribers, I'm going to do the credit giveaway. Alright, people? So I'm gonna just keep on share the videos so other people can come over and subscribe. The goal is 1K, alright? 1K subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. By next 2 months or so, I must come and reach this, alright? I'm gonna go help me out. Mm. Mm. I'm belly full enough. I don't eat nothing now. I don't eat nothing no time. My little sister out there saw the vlog. My life and Shanice. Well, I can't never waste money. It just good. I know much I go so some money. First I eat burger, no there. Yeah, I so no be burger, I for nothing. My name is a team. This name is me none tall again. None tall. Mm. Mm. Oh, and one more thing. One more thing. And obviously, me not just put that mouth and so me have to chop. True. So as I was saying, I'm gonna say, miss me. I'm gonna say, come on. Sure. I forget what I'm gonna say. I remember people. I remember me just say. Okay. So people, I can't say my belly full. Enjoy it. If you don't eat burger because of mayonnaise, and veg, go and try it. Alright, remember me that good. So I have a story time coming up about, if you're, well, if you're new, you're not gonna really know, but me I could make you know. Mm-mm. I wear nails for the first time for my birthday, and I have a story time to tell about that thing. Why nails them do to me? First time wearing nails experience was like, I have a story time thinking about that. Maybe today I do it after this video, or tomorrow when I come off of work. We go do it. So yeah. So this is the end of my video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share, comments, and subscribe to be notified whenever I post my next video. Alright people, so just continue to support me. Support. Love no bad, because if I never know, I'm going to reach 700 and subscriber right now. Alright, so love you all. Peace out.